Good morning, fourth grade. Welcome to Problem of the Day. The daycare must give each child 4/6 of a cup of milk each day. How much milk does the daycare need to have for 6 children? This is similar to a lot of the problems we've worked on recently, so this should be a review. So we're going to start with 4/6, because that's how much milk we need for each child. So I could use repeated addition, and that's for 2 children, and I could keep going for 6. I'm going to add up the numerators, and the common denominator will stay the same. However, I'm going to use multiplication, and on the left side, I'm going to multiply by the whole number. So this is how much I need for one child, and I'm going to multiply that by how many children I have, which is 6. So multiply that by 6. And then on my right side over here, I'm going to turn that whole number into a fraction. So 4/6, and multiply it by 6 becomes the numerator, the whole number, and then the denominator becomes a 1. So on the left side, we'll get to solving. We're going to multiply the numerator by the whole number. 6 times 4 is 24. And the denominator was 6, and it'll stay a 6 in my answer. And then on the right side, I multiply straight across. So numerators and denominators. 6 times 4 is 24, and 6 times 1 is 6. Both of my answers are the same, and this is technically correct, but I could simplify it to be more correct. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. This is an improper fraction, and I'm going to simplify it to a mixed number. In order to do that, I'm going to take my denominator, which is a 6, and skip count by 6 as close as I can get to 24 without going over. So 6, 12, 18, 24. I got right on the mark with 24, and that was 4 fingers. So 4 is my whole number, and I'm not going to have any remainders because I got right to 24. So my answer would just be 4. So if I bring the label down from up here, it would actually be 4 cups. 4 cups of milk for those 6 children. You guys have some different numbers, and you only have 4 kids.